Hello, this is Jim Wright, and this is your Minute to Slim It. I know a lot of times when we get on the scales, we want to see a big drop in weight. We want to see 2 pounds or 3 pounds, especially if we've been having what we think is a week of solid fat-burning days. And sometimes we get frustrated because we get that big moment. I've been there. You've had a solid 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 healthy days, and you're like, I'm going to get on the scales, and it's just going to be huge. I'm going to see 2 pounds or 3 pounds or 5 pounds down. And you get on the scales, and it's 0.8 or it's 1.3. And you're thinking, man, it's just not worth it. I'm just going to quit. Well, look, think about it. If you're going to quit, then guess what? Instead of losing 1.3 or 0.8, you're going to be gaining 1.3 and 0.8 and 0.4 and all those, and keep gaining. Don't go down that road. You know where it leads. Let me share with you a thought. Even if you lose it a little by little, even if you lose your weight a little by little, it still adds up to a big number in the end. Even if you lose it little by little, it still adds up to a big number at the end. So you're saying, I only lost 2 pounds this week. Well, if you do that on average at the end of the month, 2 times 4 is 8 pounds. If you do that every week consistently, you would have lost 72 pounds by the end of the year. If you lose 8 pounds a month, over 3 months, you will lose 24 pounds. You see, those little numbers do add up. The key is not how big the number is when you get on the scale. We all want the big weight drops. I get it. But the key is to consistently eat healthy, and you will consistently, there may be little bumps, but over time, you'll see the weight go down and down. And those little numbers will add up to a big number. And that is today's Minute to Slim It.